welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sherry. If you are not new here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a dresses haul. I have the package here. It's a big one, but they have a bunch of affordable dresses. The entire haul that I got, I'll put it up here, but basically I just went through and found some really cute dresses. I'm going to try them on, see how they are, see what the quality's like. I'm going to go through them first and pull them out. I have opened the bag just to make sure everything is in there. I'm going to go ahead and start opening the dresses. I believe in all of the dress sizes I got a size 8. I think in one of them I had to get a size 10 because they didn't have a size 8. But I'll be sure to put a description of each dress and the price and the size just on the screen here to give you guys a reference. The first dress is the green khaki dress, I believe is what it was called. It's a smock dress. I realized afterwards that most of these are smock dresses. Kind of have a thing for smock dresses, so I mean, it's February. I can't even really wear dresses yet, but we'll see what happens. There's a car pulling up. Oh, no, not for us. Yeah, I can't really wear dresses yet, but I could try to wear my tights with them, so maybe I will do that. But, oh, can you see? Not pleats in it, but it has like sections in it, and it has like a puff sleeve. We'll see how it is when I try it on, but it feels really nice. Feels breathable for summer. No, it doesn't have the size on this, so I believe it's an 8 though. But it's really, I thought this would be really cute with like a pair of black boots and like a black belt, so let's see. Next dress isn't really a color I normally go for, but I've watched a lot of Bridgerton and I really like this color. So this is like a light blue kind of, and it has little frills. I don't know if it's is it a smock dress? Yeah. Frilled sleeve smock dress sky blue is what. And I thought it was like a modern day like Daphne dress. If anybody else has watched Bridgerton, I'm just obsessed with it. So I don't know how I feel about this material. It's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's not exactly stretchy, but it's, that one is, the other dress is definitely like cotton, and this is, I don't know, this, I feel like you need to have an occasion. You couldn't just wear this as like a normal sundress like the other one, but we'll see what happens. Because I've done a package inside of a package. This one. There's another package inside of a package. Sorry, there's a lot of like ruffling and plastic in this, so I probably should have taken these all out first, but you know, here we are. Okay, so this is kind of the same material as the blue one. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it looks like I should be doing a salsa in this. It was really cute in the picture. I don't know, maybe if I was like going to Spain, it'd be something I'd wear, but we all know we're not traveling anytime soon. This is a UK size 8, so this one actually does say on the tag. Yeah, I guess we'll see when I try it on. By the way, this is the sweatshirt my mom got me in my package. I forgot it downstairs when I was doing the haul. If you guys haven't checked out that video will be linked below. But yeah, it says, "What's your princess mood today?" And it has my fave girl here, so you know, that's always my mood. The next one out, and it's the same material as the first dress, which is like a cottony blend. It's this red smock dress. Now I love the color red. Red is one of my favorite colors. Again, it has the 2 sections of pleating. The sleeves are a bit more frilly on this one than the khaki one, which had like the puff sleeves. It has a button in the back with a little bit of an open thing. This does not say the size. If I didn't already have something to wear on Valentine's Day, I would potentially wear this. This one is so out of my comfort zone. Color and look. I honestly have no idea where I thought I would potentially wear this, but look, look at this. Like, what What was I actually thinking? I have no clue. What was I thinking? I've been watching way too much Bridgerton to think that I can pull off like what it looks like a loofah. Like, I've messed up, guys. Oh no. I'm still gonna try it on for kicks, but I'm gonna look like a walking loofah. This one I hope I like. Please be cute, please be cute. Oh, it's a little see-through, but polka dots. Oh, yeah, it kind of smells like a grandma. It has like really flowy sleeves. It's not chiffon, but like a, I honestly don't even know what type of material this is, but it's a little, it looks a little bit see-through, but it'll probably be fine with some shorts on it. I thought of it because I thought it was like really Disney, like I think it would be really cute to wear with some ears to the park, but we will see what it looks like when I try it on. This one is satin, so oh my gosh, it has a weird smell. I guess it's just like newly opened. For satin, it's pretty cute. I mean, it has the pleated bottom, and I don't know, I feel maybe a little, it doesn't really look like a grandma's curtains. It's like a cute floral. Maybe I've lost my marbles. I don't know. It looks quite big for a 10. I hope it's not like too big where it looks ridiculous and I can't wear it, but it's like brown knee-high boots with like a black leather jacket maybe. This one is my last one. Hope this one is cute because it looks really cute on the site and I really hope it's cute. Basically, it's like a black and white little Dorothy number. Hello, Wizard of Oz. I mean, that was blue and white, not black and white, but this one is also a UK 8. It's that cotton feel. It looks really cute. Black and white, very simple, but how cute would this be with like a red lip? Or like a red little like headscarf, like if you tied up all your hair and then, you know, put a little ponytail scarf in it, headscarf, whatever you want to call it. I feel like I'm gonna like this because it's cotton, so we'll see when I try on all the dresses.
A few moments later.
It's way too tight, like I can't even move my arms. I don't hate the color, but yeah, Colin, I know, it sucks. Yeah, nope. No, like it just, no. I'll call in. He's like, no, it's, for one, it's see-through, makes this line really weird. It's like basically you can just, and the sleeves are better on this one. It's a better length, and I don't feel it. I mean, I still feel like I'm trapped in it, but I feel like if I was like crazy toned and I don't know, maybe no. Okay, that's all I wanted to do in this. In a, like, this is the only fun thing I can do in it, and I don't want to. Colin is rubbing on the books, so that's what that noise is. Anyway, it's a no from me. I can't wear a bra in this one, so apologies. It's, I don't hate the way that it clings, but I hate this. Like, I mean, it's, yeah, no, I look like I'm doing a samba, or should be doing a samba, or a mom, I don't even know. If I was going to Cuba, great dress, but no, I don't hate the color, and I don't hate the way it fits. It actually is really comfortable, but 3 out of 10 for me. What do you think? No, looking down the stairs, so that's a no. I feel like Colin should make an appearance. Do you like the dress? Do you like the dress? No, that's a squint. That means no. I don't hate it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I just feel like it's very occasion of which I cannot think of to wear. So, hi. All right, well, next dress. Oh, sorry, Colin. What do you think? What do you think? Wish you guys could see his head tilting back and forth. It's really cute. It just smells like a grandma. It's not bad, but it just smells like one. Also, not a huge fan of that, but I don't hate it. It is cute. I like the length. The material's fine. It's actually not like see-through or anything like that, but it's just because the sleeve like goes down to basically like boob level, so it just kind of looks like you're trying to fly away. I don't know. Don't love it, don't hate it. And that's the tea from Colin. My camera died. Fun. So this is the next one. It's red. It's cute. I like the frilled sleeves. It's just a cotton dress. There isn't much to it. Let me see if I can. See, it's like a nice length on me. I enjoy it. I like this one. I'd give this 8 out of 10. I absolutely love this one. Oh my gosh, like I didn't know how I was gonna feel about the satin, and I apologize for like if my bra's sticking out a little bit, but oh my gosh, how cute is this? I am living in this. Oh my goodness. I need to wear it. Like, I got a new necklace that's like a 2-layer with a little T on it, and it's so cute, but oh my gosh. I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel like I should like, I love it, I love it, I love it. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Okay, not positive about the sleeves, but I've also kind of like tucked my bra sleeve in there, so it kind of feels like they're falling off and they're not, but I do like this one. I don't love the sleeves, I'm not gonna lie, but, and I don't know, am I supposed to, oh, there's bra strap. I feel like if I wear it like this, I feel like I should be in Bridgerton. If I keep talking about Bridgerton, I'm sorry, I'm just obsessed, but it's definitely, I know it's supposed to be worn like this. Wait, see how it puckers? The length is good. And maybe if I was wearing like a real bra with it, or maybe I just need to like, I don't know, then that looks weird. I'm torn. I'm torn. I feel like I should be like, I don't love it. Dang it, I really wanted to like this one, but I don't know. Leave a comment below for your favorite dress, because I feel like sometimes you just are really judgmental on yourself, and maybe it's not like, I don't know. Tell me which one you guys like or which ones I should keep, because I don't know. I think we might have redeemed ourselves for the last dress, but I mean, it feels a bit weird because I'm not wearing any bra with it, but topless bra, but I mean, like, it's pretty tight in there, so I mean, I really like it. I feel like it's cute and flirty and fun, and I feel like I would definitely see myself like wearing this in the summertime, so yeah. I think this one and the flower one are my favorite, and then the red one, I don't know what to think of the other ones. I may have to return them, which is so sad because I thought this haul would be better, but yeah. That's pretty much it for my video though. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I passed my 100 subscribers mark, but I think the next goal is to go for 150. So I know it's gonna take me a while, but hopefully I can achieve that. That would just be amazing. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will be posting pictures in this dress and a few other things. I always post on my Instagram when I have a YouTube video coming out. As of right now, I'm kind of posting on Fridays and Sundays, but that is as long as I have content to make. If I don't have anything to come up with, then it kind of just goes when something happens in my life. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!